So, me and Rio.
You look at the swing.
God, the swing's gone. Let's go. Anyone out here? That, that's a bit awkward place there. Okay. Hello? Anyone up there? I'm not. Oh, God.
Oh my god, look at the swing that I'm doing. It's so awkward.
Awkward. Awkward. Okay, stop playing with the swings now. It's like the one stop now. Alright then, we're just gonna walk back up now.